Draper Expert digital torque wrenches are manufactured to ISO 6789 standard. They come in two drives, 1/2 inch and 3/8. Both will work in foot-pounds, inch-pounds, newton meters and kilogram centimeters, and are calibrated to the industry standard of plus or minus 4%. Both have a soft comfort grip and come in a blow-molded case for protection and storage. The 3/8 model is 390 mm long and has a range of 20 to 100 Newton meters. The 1/2 inch model is 490 mm long and has a range of 40 to 200 Newton meters. Both come with full instructions and an individual calibration certificate. These two Draper Expert digital torque wrenches are suitable for any professional in any industry.